Hi there! In this video I'll show you how to change and create themes on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. So, to change this current theme, we would need to simply press and hold any free space on the screen and then choose themes right here on the bottom. And now you can see many options, but they are non-free as you can see. So, to see the free options, just go in the top section and from all select free. And after this, you can see many free options. So let's choose this one for now. It is kinda minimalistic, but cute. So just tap download button and then select to apply. Wait a couple of seconds till it will be applying this theme to your current theme. And here is how it looks. So we have changed this theme. If you wanna get back to the default one, just go in the menu, go in My Stuff and switch to the default. And here it is, we just bring back this default theme. So you can also manage your themes manually by selecting wallpapers, icons, as before select top, and then free options. And also you can even select always on display. I have set up now this one. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.